Hi crafters, it's Kat, my scrappin' mama. I'm coming to you with pattern 20 of the Make It From Your Heart Volume 4 book. I'm not going to do a demo today. It is the Christmas holiday season. I'm going to try to make this short. So pattern 20 is the standard A2 size card. You've got 3 base pages of paper here, 1.5, half, and 3/4, and then you have a dovetail piece here at 3/4 by 3.5. They have some sample artwork over here. This right here is using pattern paper, some stitching. There's no stamping on here, but there is a lot of die cutting. It's very cute. And then this one right here is some pattern paper, some die cuts from the Flower Market cartridge, and some stamping. It's very cute. So this was my inspiration, and I made several cards. This first one here is a Christmas card, and I'm using the scalloped border here from the Decorative Thin Cuts, and this is Z4241 out of my website. You get 10 border die cuts, and then you get this really cool die cut where you can open a package or like open a card. I will do a demo on that hopefully before the week's up on how to use this. So that's one card that I made using this pattern as inspiration. Here's another one using the Oh What Fun paper and some silver tinsel thread. Here's another one. I'm using that same scalloped border stitched die, and then Cricut cut, making a poinsettia, and I used a lot of the gold shimmer pen. This is another card that I made using this as my inspiration. 'Tis the Season paper, and then I splattered the gold shimmer trim on it, and I used the Oh What Fun stamps and thin cuts. This little border here is this one right here, and I didn't need it going all the way across, so I just cut it down. This would be really pretty cut out of a green cardstock to put behind flowers, just like leaves or fern or foliage. It's really pretty. Here's one that's a non-Christmas card. If you follow my Instagram, you've probably already seen this one. But I made it with die cuts, jewels, pattern paper, some green shimmer trim. Really pretty. I decided to make a shaker card. I still use the same kind of layering of the paper type of thing, and then I use the Close to My Heart foam die cut kit to make the shaker. All these products here are close to my heart except the sequins and the ribbon. Here is another card using the same pattern. I did not use the dovetail again, but I did use a die cut, and so I cut Santa out twice. I stamped and die cut him out twice, and then I bumped him up so he's got kind of a shadow effect. And then of course I used some of the clear shimmer pen, some raspberry twine. Here's a card I made. And again, I'm trying to use up my scraps. So I've got some maybe papers that may not have always been meant to go together, but I think they work well. This is some gold glitter paper from Close to My Heart, some gold and white twine. This die cut is a Spellbinders ornament die. There's several in the package. They're really cute. Some gold sequins on here. And this is the 'Tis the Season paper from the current catalog. It will retire on December 31st. It's very pretty. So if that's something you're looking for, go out and get it. It's going to be going out soon. This here's another card that I did. This is Merry Christmas, and then some 'Tis the Season paper. It's just kind of all over the place. And then this is kind of some watercolor paper from 'Tis the Season, and I distressed it. And then of course I used the silver twine again. I just love that stuff. And then some green enamel dots. And this is not a stamp. This is from one of the Picture My Life cards. And last here I challenged myself and I said, well, here's the pattern. How many more pieces of paper can I add to this? And I think I outdid myself this time. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the foil pieces of different pieces of paper. But these are the Picture My Life from 'Tis the Season. And then I use this scallop again right here. And a lot of times you see these scallop borders going down. They always seem to go down. I used it this time and made it go up. It's really pretty. It's got the stitching in it. Not sure if you can see that on the camera because it's pattern paper, but you can see it in person. These dies are just amazing. You get 10 of these thin cut dies. It's an amazing, amazing value. And it comes on a magnetic sheet, and it comes in these really nice plastic holders here. And if you've ever bought Close to My Heart dies, you know that this plastic is really good quality. There's no need to put this into a separate box or a separate binder or anything. Really good value there. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing all the different ideas I came up with using pattern 20. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 variations on this one pattern here. I really enjoy these books, and they're a great value, and they are timeless. So if you are looking for something to jumpstart your ideas, to help you in your card making, get you started, you're a seasoned card maker and you've kind of run out of ideas, I highly recommend this book. It's full of great artwork, ideas, cutting guides. So this was pattern 20. We have 4 more to go, and I will try to get those uploaded in the next few weeks, hopefully with another demo. Just didn't have time this week. It's Christmas, and it's busy for us here and for all of you, I'm sure. So anyway, I hope that you have a really blessed holiday over the next few days, and enjoy time with friends and family, and maybe even get some crafting done in your downtime. So Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.